Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might need to move your Bitcoin from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling how to send Bitcoin from Uphold to KuCoin in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto evolves quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Uphold and KuCoin, and that your Bitcoin is in your Uphold wallet. Start by logging into your Uphold account using your credentials or two-factor authentication for security. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Crypto or Wallets section. Locate your Bitcoin balance. That's where the magic begins. Next, head over to your KuCoin account in a new tab. Go to the Deposit section for Bitcoin. KuCoin will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case-sensitive and typos can lead to lost funds. Now, switch back to Uphold. In your Bitcoin wallet, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the KuCoin address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, Uphold might charge a small network fee, so check that before proceeding. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any additional details like network type, probably Bitcoin network. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or 2FA for extra security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. In 2025, with faster networks, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your KuCoin account to see when the Bitcoin arrives. And that's it, you've successfully moved your Bitcoin. A quick tip: always use the latest versions of these apps and enable all security features to protect your assets. If you run into any issues, both Uphold and KuCoin have support teams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.